Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we are going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Create an Ordered List. So unlike the last video which had an unordered list, in this one we'll have top 3 things that cats hate. So an ordered list is a numbered style list. So it's characterized by a OL opening tag. And each list item, so we'll do the same, li *3 and click tab, and each list item will contain something a cat hates. So we'll start off with going to the vet. Next one can be getting soaked. Last one can be sound of thunder. Alright, and remember to have a closing tag, so -ol. So now we can see that it's an ordered list and it's in 1, 2, 3. As we keep adding list items, the numbers will keep increasing. Alright, so let's run our tests. And there we go. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.